Tito outfit check. Simple lang. And I'm not sure if it's heated. Pero ang ganda. Yum yum. May mga lamon. Of course, What is up guys? Mabuhay Philippines and Xin Chào Vietnam. What is up guys? It's your favorite Tito Chuck. And today is going to be an exciting day because I'm traveling. Mag-travel tayo. It's the first travel of the year. And I'm going to a country that I have never been. I'm super excited. Ay, finally, makakapag-relax after all the festivities. Of course, lalamon pa rin tayo dun. Siyempre, what is travel without eating? I'm excited for the coffee. And nakita nyo naman siguro yung thumbnail. Because I'm going to Vietnam. I was supposed to go back to Japan this year, kaya lang merong mga hindi nag-match sa schedule. So, kinancel ko muna yon. So instead, I decided to go to Sapa, Vietnam. Ayan guys, so andito na yung ride ko. Alis na tayo. Later, next video, next clip, nasa airport na ako. Nasa Terminal 1. You know what? Hindi ko ma-explain kung gaano katagal kami naghintay from check-in to immigration and then the security check. Oh my God, has to be one of the longest queue na ginawa ko sa isang airport. I mean, I know they're doing something sa NAIA 1 to improve it, but oh my God, today is unbelievable. Galing lang ako ng lounge. So I had siomai, I had the ever famous arroz caldo with a lot of budbud and garlic and egg. Bakit ba napaka-popular ng arroz caldo ng NAIA, no? Medyo tahimik na. Pero kanina super puno to. My God, Tito outfit check. Simple lang. Gray sweater, jeans, and the official airport shoes ng buong mundo, On Clouds. That's it. Simpleng-simple. What is up guys? Mabuhay Philippines and Xin Chào Vietnam. So we just arrived in Hanoi. Medyo na-delay yung flight namin for about an hour. Then ayun, hindi nakatulog si Tito Chuck sa flight, but it's okay. I'm really excited. Magsastay muna kami dito sa airport ng a couple of hours dahil from Hanoi Airport, dadiretso kami ng Sapa. In fairness, maayos yung airport nila. Nakakatuwa, wala nga lang tao, wala rin masyadong shops na open because it's what? 3:30 in the morning. Muna kami ng airport para magmuni-muni. Alam mo, ang ganda ng weather, ang lamig. Reminds me of winter sa Qatar. Kasi ganito yung feels, presko, malamig. Maghihintay pa kami ng ilang oras pa kasi yung private limousine van na nakuha ko, ang pick-up niya dito sa Hanoi Airport is around 7 a.m. pa. So, ito yung arrival area ng Hanoi International Airport. In fairness, malinis and very presko. The weather is giving. So, wala pa mga bukas na shops and restaurants dito. So, bibili muna tayo ng water kasi nauuhaw na ako. So, one bottled water is 10,000 VND. So, ito yung conversion yan. Somewhere here. yung binook ko na limousine, originally, yung VIP seats. However, siguro nagkamali yata yung pag-book ng operator. So, napunta kami sa regular seat. So, medyo tight. So, mag-show na lang ako ng video mamaya kung anong itsura. So, you have to ensure na po nag-book kayo ng limousine ride, like these buses, you have to make sure na makuha niyo yung seats sa middle. Kasi if you are at the very end of the row, yung pinakadulo, medyo tight. Especially for someone as tall as me, I'm 5'8". Medyo dikit na dikit yung yung tuhod ko dun sa seat sa harap ko. But it's all right. I mean, that would not stop me, or that should not stop me from enjoying this trip. I'm still blessed dahil I'm given this opportunity na makapag-travel at mapakita rin sa inyo ang Sapa, Vietnam. Wala naman tayong makikita dito, although sa loob, somewhere there, merong food hall, and then may toilet kagaya kanina before reaching the stopover. Sobrang ihing-ihi na talaga ako. May mga areas na medyo bumpy, ganyan, pero it's okay. So, we have 20 minutes here. Pwede kayo bumili ng mga food nyo dyan, ng drinks, and do your thing. Magwiwi, magpupu. Hi guys, so andito tayo ngayon sa third stop. Second stop pala. Parang convenience store, may food. Ano to? Parang siopaw, and then some boiled eggs, sausage, and may coffee area din doon. Juicy hot dog. Ang smoky niya, tapos para siya niluto sa stone. This is 20,000 VND. 20,000, right? May weird texture pero yummy. I think it's mushroom. We're back on the road. So nag-Vietnamese coffee kami. And in fairness, paglalaban talaga yung buong pamilya mo at buong angkan at buong barangay nyo sa tapang eh. As in, dilat ka yata nito forever. Ang sarap. Ang sarap, grabe. Dito na kami sa Sapa. Napakadami nangyari sa transportation namin. So, apparently, di ba naka-limousine van kami, so yung malaking van yun. So apparently, yung area ng hotel namin, hindi makakapasok yung van kasi parang naka-close yata yung road. Pero, so kausap ko yung operator na nag-arrange nung transportation namin. And good thing, so sabi niya, mag-grab na lang kami. So binaba kami nung van driver sa isang area dito sa Sapa. And then pinag-grab na lang niya kami, and then ako nag-book, pero yung nag-arrange ng transportation ko ang nagbayad. So nag-transfer na siya dito sa driver namin. Which is good, still thankful, still okay. Ayun, ang lamig. Parang wala ako sa Southeast Asia. Ang lamig. Kanina umuusok-usok pa yung bibig ko. Nakakatuwa. So, team no sleep pa rin. Mamaya siguro mag-room tour tayo sa hotel. Tapos, quick pahinga lang. Fairness, welcome to Baguio. So, hindi ko alam kung nakikita niyo yan. Sobrang foggy. Pero sobrang traffic din. Hi! Kamusta? Welcome to my crib. Tara, ikot ko kayo. Yun! Oh guys, tignan nyo naman. This is the bed. And this is the pahingahan area. So, may mga something tayo dyan. And look at that view, kahit wala ka makitang view ngayon because it's so foggy. And then you have your TV over here. And then, wow. And guys, this is the best part. The best part is me. Joke lang. So here's the best part. This is your water closet with that view and the shower area. And the shower area with another view. Imagine, naliligo ka. Naliligo-ligo kang ganyan, tapos ganyan yung view mo. Talaga namang party-party. Nice, di ba? So, I got this from Agoda. Wait, 9,538 and 56 pesos for 3 days and 4 nights. Oh, di ba mura? Hey guys, good evening. So nakatulog si Tito Cha kanina for 2 hours and kasi wala pang tulog. So I had to wake up. Biglang bihis, of course, wash up muna, ganyan. And nandito tayo sa beautiful Cat Resort and Spa. And it's really nice here. I'll show you around. This is the pool area. Look at that. I'm not sure if nakikita nyo. And I'm not sure if it's heated. Pero ang ganda. So, may spa area dyan. And then there's may pool, may billiards table there. Meron pa ditong pampainit. Wait, I'll show you inside. So here it is. That's the reception. Super nice, super cozy. And you have some sofas here para makapag-chill and lounge. It's really beautiful. Meron pa silang local shop. Nice. Ganda. Okay, so we'll go to the city center. I'm just waiting for the taxi service. And we'll probably get some dinner, something to eat, something warm. Woohoo! I love it! Alam mo, gulong-gulo ako sa life ko ngayon because wala akong makita. Umuusok yung bibig ko. Look. Para tayo nasa Baguio, seryoso. So that area is the famous Sun Plaza, Sapa Station. So, yun nga, nakatulog kami kanina pero okay lang, energized. So, maghahanap kami ng restaurant. May na-recommend yung hotel staff kanina. So, hanapin namin yung restaurant na yon. That is, what's the name of the resto? Basta yun, papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Pero guys, seryoso, nakaka-disorienting fog. Kasi, alam mo yun, parang iniisip mo kung saan ka lalakad. Also, may siya, kaya lang, from afar, it's difficult to see kung ano yung kung saan ka papunta. So, I'm highly dependent on my Google Maps now. Ayan, so, oh, there's a church. Look at that. Ayan. So it's a 2-minute walk to, oh there, it's Okoy Ho Restaurant. Doon tayo kakain. Look at this. And it's really cold. Alam nyo, gutom na ako. Hindi ko na nakita yung map. Ayun. Okoy Ho. Okoy Ho. Maraming fruits. There's pomelo, mangoes, mandarins, melons. Uy, langka, oh. I forgot the name of this. Something goose. And this one looks like Chico. That's papaya. I'm gonna get this later. So, sa mga hate ko pa naman yung maputik. Kasi ayoko nadudumihan yung shoes ko. As a maarting tito. So, look at those. So, that's the restaurant na kakainan natin. I hope I'm clear. So, tawid na tayo. Ang putik. Hindi ko na alam kung ano yung angle ng mukha ko ngayon. Baka sobrang laki ng mukha ng siopaw. Ayan, so dyan daw tayo kakain. And let's see kung masarap. Welcome to Sapa, Vietnam. Dito outfit check. Oh, that's me. Salad, that's 155,000. And then we're getting the Vietnamese spring rolls. So that's 110,000. And hindi kami masyado umorder dahil magta-try kami mag-pho sa labas. We just want to try their local dishes. Hindi ko makita. And then this fried local fish na hindi ko alam kung magkano. Fried local fish is 195 Vietnamese dong. So the name of the restaurant is Okoy Ho. Ayan. Very cute ang vibes nila dito. Ayan, so konti lang in order natin. We had 3 dishes lang. Yung grilled pork salad, of course, Vietnamese spring rolls, and yung local fried fish. Kasi later, parang gusto naming mag-try mag-pho. Kasi I thought itong restaurant nito may pho. So dito na sana kami kumain ng pho, kaya lang wala. So we'll probably try a pho na yung nasa gilid-gilid lang. So since kanina pa, wala kaming kain at all. Nag-ano lang kami, nag-Vietnamese coffee na sabi ko nga kaya kang ipaglaban. Kayang ipaglaban. Napakabulol na Tito Chuck talaga. Napakabulol. Kayang ipaglaban yung buong family mo. Guys, our food is here. So this is the local fried fish. That's the pork salad. And then we have the, of course, hindi mawawala ang Vietnamese spring rolls. I think this is good for maybe 3 to 4 people. Ang dami. Looks delicious. So, ni-roll ko lang yung pinaka-spring roll sa veggies. Madami. So, I hope I'm doing it right. Pero alam ko, ganun yun. So, I don't know kung tama yung ginawa ko. And then, ganyan. Sarap.
Success ang kain natin today. Ubos ang food. Grabing vegetables nila dito. Napakasarap, napaka-fresh, tapos malutong-lutong. And this one, sobrang sarap ng fish na to. I don't know what it's called. Basta para siyang delis or tawilis. Super sarap.
The bill is 490,000 dong.
Ayun, so nag-stop muna kami for naglakad-lakad kami dito sa Sapa. Nag-stop muna kami to have coffee. Umuulan, nakakainis. So yung sapatos ko basa na. Tapos tingnan mo yung buhok ko. Bagsak na. Wala na. Haggard. Yung umuusok-usok pa, right? So ganito ang feeling ng isang hotdog sa isang freezer. Nice. Ayun, sobrang sarap ng coffee. This is Vietnamese coffee. Vietnamese coffee something. And then ito yung may egg. And some fries. Ay, grabe ang lamig. So, hindi din kami magtatagal dito kasi yun nga, umuulan. Hindi kami makalakad na maayos. And baka bukas magkasakit pa kami. Hindi namin ma-enjoy yung buong Vietnam trip. So, tomorrow will be the activity day and hopefully mas umokay na yung weather. Kasi mostly, 'di ba, parang puro outdoors. Na-try natin yung slide, yung parang roller coaster, forgot what the name is. Ayun, yung mga yung Cat Village for the traditional something. Ang lamig, nahihirapan ako magsalita. Hindi ko alam kung yung iba paano nila kinakaya yung naka-slipper sila sa ganito kalamig or meron pa nga yung alam mo yung parang sa Japan na yung parang mga naka-short dress, short skirts, tapos parang may mga heater lang sila sa legs. Galing.